if you don't have the LDAC option available in your Bluetooth device settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26, the reason why it might be missing is most likely due to an app that you may have just installed for your Bluetooth device. In my case, I have my earbuds over here and they have this app in which I can make some changes, and if I go to earbud settings, then in here I can find sound quality settings, which usually can be the reason why you might not have the LDAC option, especially if you choose like a connection quality over sound quality. So you need to choose what should be the priority in these cases. So if I switch to the sound quality, if the sound quality is the priority now, you will see that this Bluetooth audio codec appears and it says AAC, but actually if I accidentally go back into this setting, now it says LDAC. And also if I go back to the settings in the phone, inside the phone, then as you can see, LDAC is available and again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.